Welcome to this training. Here actually I will show Red Hat Linux and Ubuntu how to install a package. This is only for beginner. You can see here I have two shell terminal, and this one actually right now open, it is Red Hat Linux. Okay, and and another terminal, it is Ubuntu. Now I want to do something. Let's say nano test.txt. So this is, I want to use nano, and here is Ubuntu also. I want to use nano test.txt. So you see nano not found. All right, this is Ubuntu nano not found. It is saying if you want to install. So how to install in Linux, I will show you. And this is Red Hat Linux DNF, remove nano. At first I remove this, that you understand I am about to install, and let's say remove it, clear it, clear. So this is now we are in Red Hat Linux, and how to install nano. We have to type command DNF, and you must be in the root. Okay, and install nano. This is common for most of the packages to install. So it is connecting to the repositories, and here it is saying, is this okay? This it is asking to confirmation. I type Y and press enter. So in Red Hat Linux, nano is installed. Clear the screen. Now nano test.txt, it will open. Okay, and if you want to remove, okay, let's see in Ubuntu, and this is Ubuntu. It is asking if you want to install, type this. Okay, apt install nano. So it is downloading and installing. You can see it. It is installed. Nano test is working. Now if you remove this apt, remove nano. Yes. Clear the screen. Nano test.txt. It does not exist, so it cannot work. Now here nano test. Okay, remove this DNF, remove nano. So updating subscription manager, it is asking remove package 1 free disk space. Is this okay? Yes. Clear the screen. Nano test.txt. So it is not going to work because nano does not is not installed. So how to install DNF? Install nano. This is Red Hat Linux DNF. You have to use DNF or yum. Why? It is installed. This is out now. Now here install apt apt install nano. It is installing. It is done. Nano test.txt. You see it is saying GNU nano. This is how to install package in Red Hat Linux and Ubuntu. Red Hat Linux use DNF and Ubuntu use APT. This is for beginner and basic. You can test. If you have any question, you can also write back. Thank you.